All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, the last thing we went over in a high level blockchain fundamentals was the proof of stake. This is actually going to be the last topic we touch on because we are at the end of this module. With the proof of stake nodes put up collateral as a Sybil resistance mechanism. Proof of stake, which is a different Sybil resistance mechanism, instead of solving a difficult problem, proof of stake nodes put up some collateral that they're going to behave honestly, aka they stake. In the example of Ethereum, nodes put up Ethereum as a stake to ensure that they are going to behave honestly in the network. If they misbehave in the network, they're going to be slashed or have some of the collateral removed. Obviously, this is a very good Sybil resistance mechanism because if we try to create a whole bunch of anonymous accounts, then each one of these accounts would have to put up some collateral or stake, which would be in the form of Ethereum. And if we were to misbehave in the network, we run the risk of losing all of that collateral. In this system, miners are called validators. This is because they are no longer mining anything, they're actually just validating other nodes. Now, unlike proof of work, where every node is racing to be the first to solve the blockchain problem, in the proof of stake, nodes are actually randomly chosen to propose the new block. And then the rest of the validators will validate if the node has proposed the new block honestly. And like I said, that was the last concept we went over inside of this module here, the high level blockchain fundamentals. We're actually going to move on to this new module here, L1, L2 rollups. L1 and L2 just refer to layer 1 and layer 2. So when you see that abbreviated, that's what we mean, layer 1 and layer 2s. But we'll get into more of that when we actually move forward with the modules. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.